Cars are now driving themselves. AI is coming fast and crazy. Are electric vehicles more expensive to insure? And the answer is possibly and probably. When you're buying an electric vehicle, it looks great because you're going to save on gas. However, depending on what car you buy and from where is going to determine what the cost is. If you buy a Tesla versus a Lucid, there's a different cost factor because there's different prices, different costs of the model, different ways that you use that car, different electronics on it. All of those are going to factor in for the insurance purposes. If you get in an accident with an electric car, odds are that it's going to be more expensive to replace the parts. That will have an impact. To get quotes, look us up online at wecoachinsurance.com or give us a call. We'll walk you through the details. We'll run it through a couple of companies to make sure you have the best coverage at the lowest cost.